God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Adri, and today I'm teaching you guys how to study. Today I'm going to be studying nutrition. I have a quiz due tomorrow. How to study? We ain't studied all week. Actually, I did study a little bit earlier in the week, so I can't really say that, but yeah. Get your notepad out and write these steps down. Number 1, use AI to your advantage. Instead of just randomly reading the book and doing other stuff, get the study guide, paste the whole study guide into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you quiz questions based off of that. ChatGPT will help you study, so you can do that and Quizlet. Put those together, and Kahoot. Put those together, and you should be getting A's, B's, C's too, because C's get degrees, okay? Alright, you guys, so as you can see, I uploaded my exam 1 review into ChatGPT. And what ChatGPT will do is break down your review into different sections, all the way from chapter 1 and different subtitles that will help you to study. So what I do, I grab my notebooks and my pencils, and I just take notes based on the most important thing. And I also have my PowerPoint up, so that's one way I study. The next thing I do is ChatGPT gives me practice quizzes for me to practice. It starts with chapter 1, so I just answer all 6 of the questions, and then ChatGPT will go ahead and check the answers for you. Number 2 is the location that you're studying at. When I study on my bed, girl, I'll be asleep in 20 minutes after. You can't go to bed because your brain will release melatonin because you're in bed, and your body's used to going to sleep when you're in bed. So I would suggest finding a table, a desk. Laying on the couch might cause you to fall asleep. And I would suggest sitting down, making sure you do it at a time where you're not sleepy, okay? Another thing that should help you study is being in a quiet environment. I know a lot of people don't live by themselves or something. A lot of you guys probably live in dorms. You might have a really bad neighbor. You might have a really bad roommate. You might have really loud siblings, little siblings, older siblings that love to mess with you. Like,
yeah, so we went to the pumpkin harvest yesterday, and then they saw that the pumpkin was really big. It was about 800 pounds. And I'm like, wow, how did that pumpkin get that big? It's a freaking pumpkin. But pumpkins do get pretty huge. I saw a lot of big ones online, especially Reddit and all that.
yeah, I don't mean to cut you off, but I kind of got to study, so is it okay if you go into a different room or just be a little bit quiet so I can study?
Okay, Your Highness.
Okay. I've been through it all, okay? You might have parents that be fighting all the time. I mean, sometimes it's okay to leave and find a nice place, go outside and study. I'm fortunate, I don't live with my parents anymore, so I'm able to have a quiet space. So yeah, that's just another tip to help you study, to help you have quiet. And maybe you can't, maybe you have social anxiety, don't want to go outside by yourself. Call up a friend, hey girl, you want to go study? That's one way. Or what you can do is drown out the noise. If you don't have headphones, maybe you're on a budget, put on some music, some jazz music, some study music, and just lock it. One thing is for the girlies that are doing nursing, pre-nursing, get you a atlas. This should help you during labs. Obviously, I haven't opened it yet. I need to. Yeah. Also, it's really good to have notebooks out, so I'm gonna go grab my notebooks and pens. Get you some colorful pens, pencils, whatever, so you can study. Also, if you want to take little notes or write something, I suggest using sticky notes. I rarely use sticky notes, but it's something that you should use. I just want to show you guys an example of how I do some of my notes. This is for my anatomy class, anatomy and physiology to be exact. Alright you guys, so here's an example of some of the notes I do. I love using colors, bold, bright colors. I love highlighting, circling important information. Obviously, you gotta use all your resources, the study guide, ChatGPT, use a PowerPoint, and that will be the best way for you to study. Of course, I can't forget that it's good for you to find quizzes like on Quizlet, and always test yourself over each chapter, and you should be getting A's in your class. Also, lastly, a planner. Even if you don't have a physical planner, you have a calendar on your phone, which should help you to plan out your whole entire week. I would say every Sunday, every Friday, every whatever, plan out your entire week so you know exactly when you're going to study, what times you're going to study, and now it's up to you. You have to go sit down and actually study. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys got some tips on how to study. This is just episode 1, so I'll be continuing to do this as the year goes along, so stay tuned for more episodes. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, comment down below if these study tips helped you, and yeah, bye.